how does AI affect real life? Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, thanks to your smart coffee maker. Your AI-powered alarm clock knows when to wake you up, based on your sleep cycle. This is just a glimpse of how artificial intelligence impacts our daily lives. AI is more than just a technology buzzword. It's a game changer in our world that's transforming the way we live and work. It's making our lives easier, more convenient, and increasingly personalized. Consider your smartphone, for instance. Ever wondered how Siri or Google Assistant recognizes your voice and responds to your commands? It's AI in action. These AI-powered assistants are learning from your patterns and preferences to serve you better. Let's move to the world of entertainment. Platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI to analyze your viewing or listening habits. Based on this, they recommend content tailored to your taste. This personalization is possible because AI can analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately. AI is also revolutionizing the way we shop. Online retailers use AI to analyze your shopping behavior and offer product recommendations. This not only enhances your shopping experience but also helps businesses increase their sales. In healthcare, AI is proving to be a lifesaver. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. AI-powered wearable devices are tracking your health data and alerting you about potential health issues. AI is also making our roads safer. Self-driving cars use AI to analyze real-time data from sensors and make decisions. This technology can potentially reduce accidents caused by human error. In the education sector, AI is transforming the learning experience. AI-powered tutoring systems provide personalized learning, helping students learn at their own pace and improving their performance. AI is even helping us combat climate change. It's being used to predict weather patterns and natural disasters, helping us take preemptive measures and save lives. In the world of finance, AI is used for fraud detection, risk assessment, and investment advice. It's making transactions safer and helping us make informed financial decisions. AI is undeniably changing the job landscape too. While it may automate some jobs, it's also creating new ones that were unimaginable a few years ago. It's pushing us to upskill and adapt to a rapidly evolving world. In conclusion, AI is not just a futuristic concept. It's here, now, and it's changing our lives in ways we never could have imagined. It's making our lives easier, safer, and more personalized. However, like any powerful tool, AI also comes with its challenges and ethical implications. It's up to us to navigate these challenges and harness the power of AI responsibly. AI is not about machines taking over the world. It's about machines helping us make our world better. So, embrace it, explore it, and let's make the most of this amazing technology. We're sure this video was helpful to you. Please hit the like button in appreciation. And hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you know when we upload a video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Take care.